breaking news. Reddit is partnering with Ethereum in order to bring Ethereum to the moon, obviously, or to work on scalability issues. I also have some new token sales for you to keep an eye on, some new opportunities for you to be looking at in the crypto market. And of course, we have got to talk about what's happening with the GameStop stock. It's absolutely crazy. My name's Lark, and I make videos every single day to help you make money investing. So if that is what you want to do, then make sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the bell to make sure that you catch all of my videos. So we need to start off our conversation today by talking about the incredible situation that has been playing out over the last few days with a stock named GameStop. Now this story is interesting for so many reasons. So let's just kind of break down real quick what happened. So we had a bunch of retail traders, particularly Reddit traders on the Reddit forum Wall Street Bets. They started aggressively longing a stock called GameStop. Now many hedge funds were actually aggressively shorting that stock, betting on the company to fail. Now the Redditors pumped the price of GameStop so hard and so fast that it gained hundreds of percent in the last few days, and that the hedge funds shorting GameStop got wrecked super hard. In fact, one had to file for bankruptcy. Ouch. This is the story of a group of just regular internet traders taking on Wall Street and winning. It's pretty cool. The Wall Street elite just got crushed by Redditors and memes. Exciting times. I love it. Now, in a lot of ways, the GameStop story was just kind of a big middle finger to hedge funds trying to short these companies into the ground and playing these aggressive games all the time, and just the manipulation going on. So in response to this event, TD Ameritrade and Schwab, they came in and said they're going to restrict trading on GameStop and a couple other stocks like AMC that the Wall Street Bets group has been looking at. The White House and the SEC said they're looking into the situation. The CEO of the NASDAQ is calling for a halt to trading so that big investors have time to recalibrate their positions. When do they do that for regular traders? Yeah, that's right. We can't have billion-dollar hedge funds who are trying to short a company into oblivion and then trading without a fricking stop loss, losing money. It's disgusting. It really is. Disgusting behavior from these people. The cronyism in the stock markets, with the media and the big brokers and the hedge funds, it's gross. It makes me sick. They do nothing but sit around manipulating the markets all day long, screwing over regular investors, screwing over companies, and the second they get a big loss, they start crying, oh, it's a foul, you need to stop trading, I'm getting hurt over here, meh. I bring up this story because it's super interesting to see what happened, but also it's really good for crypto because of the response to this situation. It just underlines why we so desperately need decentralized finance solutions to take over from centralized finance. It's all shady and opaque and a rigged game. They run for bailouts the second they start losing. Things like Uniswap, that's the future. DeFi is absolutely going to destroy centralized markets over the next decade or so. The use case is so obvious. A big thank you to Unstoppable Domains for sponsoring today's video. Now, if you're not familiar with Unstoppable Domains, it is an NFT-based name service that allows you to reserve your unique blockchain name. For example, I have got larkdavis.crypto. Now, you can actually use larkdavis.crypto as a human readable name to give out to anyone you want to start receiving payments in multiple different cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Litecoin, and Ethereum. Now, they've already got support from many major wallet services, which is obviously very important because you just type in that name into your wallet service when you're sending a transaction from point A to point B. So they're already working with Coinbase Wallet, My Ether Wallet, and Trust Wallet. And the big news today is that the first major exchange has implemented the Unstoppable Domains technology. So OKCoin now allows you to make transfers using your unique domain name. So I can now withdraw something from OKCoin to crypto, lark.crypto or larkdavis.crypto, both of my crypto domain names, or I can send it to anyone else for that matter. So johnsmith.crypto, it's really cool. Now, if you don't have your unstoppable domain yet, then click on the link down below to reserve your unique blockchain name today. So make sure you get your name, and then you can start receiving crypto payments. So pretty cool. Check it out down below with the link. Next up, let's talk about the insane Ethereum news. Reddit has officially partnered with the Ethereum Foundation. Now, this all started back last year when Reddit decided to implement a tokenized community rewards program using Ethereum-based tokens. Now, their little foray into the blockchain world actually sparked their curiosity, which led to a scaling competition, and which now has led to the announcement today that Reddit will be working with the Ethereum Foundation to improve Ethereum scaling and to work on scaling solutions together. That's absolutely awesome. So Reddit is one of the biggest social media platforms in the world, 430 million monthly users, so it's a pretty big deal to see them partnering up with the Ethereum Foundation, and of course them really doubling down on their commitment to using Ethereum for their community token services. I think we can expect as well to hear some more big announcements in regards to this particular partnership in the coming months, so watch out. This is really big news for Ethereum. And by the way, guys, as you've probably been noticing, the altcoin markets are still making crazy returns for investors right now, so make sure you're staying on top of the latest opportunities and then actually taking advantage of those opportunities when they do present themselves. There's just opportunities for gains left, right, and center in this market if you know where to be looking. Now, there's plenty of low-risk options, too, that you can participate in. Yeah, there's plenty of high-risk ones, too, so it's all depending on your risk tolerance. But one of the low-risk ones that may interest you is the Marlin Farming campaign. Now, this is actually something I mentioned a while back, I think like a month ago or something like that. It's still going on, so you can still have the ability to participate in this. So if you're staking Cosmos or Polkadot or Matic or Iris or Near Protocol, then you should really look into what Marlin is doing, since you can get extra rewards paid out on top of the staking rewards that you're already getting. So just, get those extra rewards, guys. It's basically just free money being handed out for doing something that you're already doing. So if you're already staking Polkadot, well, you can now be staking Polkadot and getting Marlin rewards on top of that. So head over to their website to get some more details on that. And of course, the other thing, which is really big right now, token sales. They've been performing insanely well. Well, most of them anyway. Now, two new ones for you to have on your radar are FinXFlow and Unido. Let's start off by talking about FinXFlow. So they're basically a hybrid liquidity aggregator. Now, this is a massively important service in the cryptocurrency market, since the majority of liquidity is actually stuck in silos, so on an exchange or on one decentralized exchange, right? Now, it's also regulated by the Monetary Authority of Singapore, so it's a pretty serious project. They offer a wide range of different services for traders and investors, including insured crypto storage, dark pool trading, dual chain functionality, zero withdrawal fees, and a single user interface for you to be able to access assets from across the market, including centralized as well as decentralized exchanges. So a pretty broad product that they have here for you. And again, it's all regulated, right? So really making this a one-stop shop for crypto traders as well as crypto investors. So it's one interface that you can access all of this different stuff with. Now, they're going to be having their public sale on Polkastarter soon, so do make sure to follow them on Twitter to find out exactly when the whitelist opens up. I think like all Polkastarter token sales, it's going to be a very high demand one. The second one to have on your radar is Unido. Now, this is an enterprise focused platform for decentralized markets. Basically, their intention is to let enterprise clients be able to easily manage their assets across decentralized finance. Now, the app is already available. They already have pilot programs running with a few banks. So this, again, it's a very serious project, right? The main products that they're offering are a simple dashboard for enterprises to use to interact with all kinds of crypto and DeFi services. They're also offering a DeFi vault and a crypto banking portal. Now, getting enterprises into crypto, this has been a long sought after goals, since when we do see enterprises coming in, they're going to bring a crazy amount of money in with them. But it's also going to expand out the use cases of what is possible. When we see enterprises coming in, they'll want enterprise needs to be fulfilled. And really, they'll start expanding the what is necessary for DeFi to provide for them. So the service Unido is proposing here could be a very timely one as we see the DeFi market expanding. Oh, and this one is also being built on Polkadot, so you know there's going to be a lot of excitement building up behind it. Everything Polkadot has been going pretty crazy over the last few months, so keep an eye out for their upcoming public sale announcements. Make sure to follow them, of course, on Twitter to find out when exactly that's going to be. And of course, look, token sales, they can be tricky to get into, and they are certainly not without risk. But I have been going pretty heavy into token sales personally over the last few months. The returns have been usually pretty good. Obviously, it can be hit and miss, but the win rate on token sales has been pretty good so far. So I would say don't ignore the opportunity with either token sales or to pick these tokens up shortly after they list on a decentralized exchange like Uniswap, and most of the market's really not paying attention to them. You get in on the ground floor with these new listings. Anyway, your question for today: have you invested in any token sales during this market cycle? And if so, what have your results been? Have you made money on those token sales? Did you get in during the public sale? Did you buy it on the Uniswap afterwards? Let me know down below in the comment section. We're very curious to hear your story. Thanks so much for watching today's video, and peace out till next time.